Hey y'all, today is letter X for, I think you pronounce it xiamen noodles. So basically it's the vermicelli noodles, which is rice noodles. And I put up some examples. It's like, so it's basically like a chicken stir fry. You know, like chicken fried rice, right? But instead of the rice, you use the noodles, which is the xiamen noodles, also known as the vermicelli noodles. So I'm gonna treat the noodles as rice, and then I'm gonna just do everything else as if I was making a chicken stir fry. So that's letter X. Xiamen is actually how you pronounce it. Those are all of the ingredients that I'm going to use. Trigger warning, yes, I do clean off my chicken thighs. For this recipe, I use 4 chicken thighs. You can obviously buy them skinless and boneless, but I use what I had. So I removed the skin and I'll debone them because this recipe calls for that type of chicken thigh. And then after you season them and clean them, I went in with seasonings. I use onion powder, garlic and herb seasoning, a little bit of chicken Montreal, and a small pack of sazon, and I mixed that all together. My pan was preheating. Get you a pretty big pan because these noodles, you basically treat it like rice. So I was making like a chicken fried rice, but basically you're just using the rice noodles. After your chicken is done seasoning, you want to put them in a pan and let them cook until they are completely done. I used a little bit of olive oil for the bottom of the pan, and then I just let my chicken cook. And some of it was already breaking apart because y'all did see earlier I deboned them. And then you want to boil you 3 quarts of water, which is like about 12 cups. And then when it comes to a boil, that's when you put your xiamen noodles in, and you only boil them for 3 minutes. Remember, this is like your rice. So I seasoned it with chicken bouillon just to give it some flavor because obviously it wouldn't taste like anything. And this was a lot of xiamen noodles. After 3 minutes only, you strain them and do your noodle check. If you know, you know. And then after that, I went in with an all-purpose seasoning and just set them to the side. Now back to the chicken. You want to remove them from that pan, and after it's completely done, after your chicken is completely done, get you a mixed vegetable packet just like this. The ones that have the green beans, the carrots, the corn, because you're making basically chicken fried rice with xiamen noodles. I added a teaspoon of butter. And then I went in and let those cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. After they cooked and kind of like sauteed a bit, I added 2 eggs to that same pan. All of this is going in the same pan, one pan recipe, y'all. And then I just added some all-purpose seasoning. Let those eggs cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Scrambled them up and mixed them in with my vegetables just like that. Chop it up. And remember your noodles that you set to the side, just pour it in there. Remember, this is like chicken fried rice. So this will basically be you adding the rice in there. So then you need to add a little bit or a lot bit of soy sauce to your noodles. And if it's too much, like too many noodles for me, you can obviously remove some from the pan. And then your chicken should have been done by now. You just add that back in there. And that's literally it, y'all. This was xiamen noodles, letter X. Yeah, a lot of people was like, what you gonna make for letter X? This was it, xiamen noodles. So xiamen chicken fried noodles, basically. Yeah, xiamen noodles. That's what we do. That's what we did for letter X. Y'all, this series is almost over. I'm having so much fun. Let me know what y'all think I should do for letter Y. And if y'all enjoyed this recipe, this was super different and it was delicious. It was literally like eating chicken fried rice. Bye, y'all.